Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are having a seafood boil. So I have some Dungeness crab, some lobster, some garlic butter sauce that I'm gonna put right here. So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So yes, y'all, we got a seafood boil that I'm looking forward to. I don't even know where to start. I just start right here at the Dungeness. It's gonna be a little messy. So I hope y'all doing well. I'm doing well. Ooh. I don't think I ever started with the claw, did I? It might be a first. Might be a first for the claw. Especially on the Dungeness. That's good though. Oh, that's so good. I'm so hungry. I was trying to hold out and not stop and get some fries or something. So you can at least see it. So what's going on, y'all? Thank y'all for watching yesterday's video. Y'all know I always appreciate it. I appreciate y'all. It's so meaty. A lot of y'all was tagging me in the video. Not tagging me, well, said it in the comments, I'll say, about the seafood. The lady that lost her limbs and she had gotten a flesh-eating bacteria from the seafood. And I had read about it before. And I saw a lot of people get sick from eating the oysters. I didn't see anybody get sick from the mussels, but I know it was the raw oysters. And y'all know I don't eat raw oysters. I think I tried it maybe twice, and it's just not for me. But everything I cook, I mean, nothing is 100%, but everything I cook, I definitely try to, y'all know I overcook it. And clean it. But yeah, I definitely try to make sure I scrub all the seafood because it is dirty when you get it. Which is it? I mean, we got to clean chicken and all that the same way too. So, but I will be mindful of that. As soon as I was getting ready to try tuna tartare, then it started circulating. So I guess that's just a sign for me not to try it. I know y'all told me what it was and stuff, but I'm gonna just stick with what's been working. You know, I ain't about to take no chances. I ain't taking no chances. This Dungeness meat so good. Mm. Little garlic chin. Don't worry about it. There's always traffic when you in a hurry. I was trying to hurry up. As soon as you get to a certain spot, everything just stopped. But nobody was hurt, so that's the most important thing. Did y'all see what happened in Louisiana with the heavy fog and smoke? And all those cars got into an accident? People, I think somebody passed away too. That is so scary. That is totally out of your control. Zero visibility. I remember that happened to me in April. Not the zero visibility, but, you know, sliding into somebody else. And then somebody slid into us. I think it was about 5 cars, I believe. And then the other two other people. Wait a minute. I don't think. Now that I say that, all the accidents I was in, it was me in April. Yeah, now that I think about it, because the first one was, we was coming from our apartment, and this lady was in the car with her kids, and she was in a truck. I think I told this story. And she wasn't looking, and I saw her not looking. I was looking at in the rearview mirror, the dash, and I was like, she not looking. I was like, April, hold on. And boom, she hit us. That was one. And then the other one, remember I told y'all the story about the man who had the wasp in his car? And we were sitting at the stop sign about to turn right in Tallahassee. The other one happened in Tallahassee too. He jumped out. He was like, the war. And I thought he was saying the war, like he was having a reaction to something. You know what I mean? We didn't know what to do because he just kept like hitting himself and like slapping himself and hitting himself. And I was like, oh my goodness, he having, you know, a breakdown or something like that. But he was saying the wasp. So yeah, that was the second time. And then the third time, like I said, we was on our way home from school. and it was raining. And you couldn't stop because you were coming down a hill. But the people, not a hill, but the people at the bottom of the, the hill had already stopped and collided into each other. And once you hit your brakes, you just start sliding. So it was a car after me, then a car after that person. But yeah, all 3 times with April. That was crazy. I forgot all about that. I didn't even think about that till just now. But it's so scary. And you're in shock. And at the time, you're not hurting. But afterwards, your back and your neck. Go to tightening up. But yeah. Y'all been in car accidents? Hopefully y'all made it okay. I know a lot of people be on here like, you don't say your prayer, baby. I say prayer all day long. I pray before I drive off. I pray on my way back from where I'm coming from. I pray for everybody on the road. Just because you don't see somebody doing it. But yeah, that was scary. Another thing, y'all. I just feel like I be full of stuff going on. Did y'all see that the hospitals were closing down the maternity wards in Alabama? I think they said 3 of them was closing down, and you got to go 100 miles to the next hospital to give birth. I've never heard of that in my life. Of that happening. So the people got to go have the babies in the emergency room. Because the maternity ward, the hospital, I guess that's closest to them, is closing. Oh my God. You know how scary that is? Wow. Is anybody pregnant? Any of the connectors pregnant that live in Alabama that heard of that? I heard about it. Is it near you? And you can't tell people, well, you gotta move. It's hard to move. Have you seen the rent prices? The interest rates right now? It is not easy for people to move. And especially you got a baby on the way. The daycare prices. I mean, I can go on and on. That's wild. That is wild. Ooh. This year has been a doozy. But we still standing. Oh, Net, I got your message. We're going to do it tomorrow. Even though it's today. We're going to do it tomorrow. Because, baby, I just literally just got back. Ooh. I feel like I done made a whole mess. Let me eat my broccoli. This whole area back here dirty. Messy, rather. Great day. But let me know if y'all heard any of them stories. One, them closing down the hospitals. I know y'all heard about the seafood. Because y'all was talking about it in the comments. Some of y'all. Ooh. Child, I don't eat all the sauce out of him. Onions and garlic. Wow. I'm already full. Probably because I had that stuff on the way here. Nuts and seeds. They keep you full. Especially sunflower seeds. I can eat 2 bags of sunflower seeds back to back, which I know is not good. But I can do it. Woo! Thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.
Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go, Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.